Hey guys, wanna know how to check profit in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, make sure you have MetaTrader launched and logged in as well. If you don't know how to do it, we have created a video on it. Make sure to check it out. Now once you've done that, you should be on your quotes right here. And on the bottom of the navigation bar, you should see something known as trades. So simply select it. And now here you go. There you are provided with various balances, equity, margin levels, etc. Now right on the positions you can see this icon right here. So this means your profit or loss. Since I'm going on negative, mine is on loss right now. But if you have bought multiple currencies, just simply select this arrow icon right here and then sort it out by profit. That will easily sort the most profit to the least profit easily. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.